wangena la siyofala ifa khona lo la siyofala ifa khona. Nakhumbula mkhonto ufika 2023 sibheke ku 2024. Floyd hoza la, hlala la. Hoza Floyd, hlala la. Mama sizika Floyd, hlalani la. Lalela Floyd. Nabantu bonke bomkhonto wesizwe ake nginibrief kancane. It's either you take this or you don't take this, but I want you to be on the same page njengamanje kwenzakalani. uFloyd uJulius Malema abakaze baxabana. uFloyd noMalema iEFF bayivula ndawonye futhi they've been brothers for 30 years namanje they are still brothers. Before kufika iMK into kade hambi dominator phambili iEFF iyona esematheni trending on the news. Ithe mayifika iMK yayishaya phansi. They had to sit down bathatha ukuthi no, let's take an agreement ndoda asiphume siyofuna abantu bethu. Masiyofuna abantu bethu, the only thing that we will do kumele siyobafuna khona lapha kumkhonto wesizwe. These people bawo master kakhulu obo VBS bawo master. Nake namsolo ungizwe ethi gadani uFloyd njengoba eza ngapha eKZN kunama bank ayovalo ithala othala bayovala. Ithala thina the story ukuthi lingavalwa. uFloyd esengala. uFloyd kumanje into eningayazi unomuzi lapha awakhaya kumanje ka 14 million kuphi eBhalithu ngapha besitoyitoyela ithala ivalwa. Uma VBS njalo eyoqala leyo asambeni. uFloyd uthe makafika evumelene noMalema kwathiwa listen uzoya lapha na kumkhonto wesizwe. When you get to umkhonto wesizwe vumela ube noma umata uhambe phansi vuma uthi mina I come here as a member. Lena phela umsholozi njengamanje uthi uyona uyimember so what. Wangena waba imember uthe mayiba imember. There are two positions, key position kade wafuna because uyazi uNtswembu, which is the SG and the national organizer, because these key position if uyasazi story sakho uyakwazi ukuthi untshontshe. The aim was to steal inhliziyo zabantu. Ufikile wangena waba uSG washaya iconstitution wayitwister ya favor unational organizer amandla than more than uSG. Uthe suka lapho asisuyeni sambeni ukuze we must be on the same page. Ithe mayifavor yena wasuka uFloyd ubaba wamshintsha wamenza uSG because esebonile ubaba ubonile hey lo wenzani wamfaka uSG. Wasuka lapha nehuvo into eyavunyelana ukuthi okay iconstitution isele kanje. Uthe mayise uSG wazama ukuyihijacka futhi ezama ukuyishintsha futhi ukuthi yo favor uSG. Wafika eParliament uDudu wathi never ngeke angithi wena be national organizer uthe iconstitution kanje pho why manje usufuna ukuyishintsha just because usu SG. uDudu wathi never. Yavela kabe ezweni ukuthi uDudu uyadefy iorganization elwela iqiniso just because abaningi bebesaba uFloyd kum-approacha. uDudu was stand still wathi never. Walwa uDudu nabanye ama-MPLs balwile, members of parliament balwa bathi Floyd ngeke uyasixhaphaza. Usukile uFloyd TG kungana TG emkhontweni wesizwe. Uma VBS wenza dume ngazo uma VBS wenza dume ngazo uma VBS wenza dume ngazo uma VBS. Intangano yangena ezikweletini yangena ezikweletini noma ebhukhela amahotele. Uma VBS efuna ama penthouse in siyalwa njalo. Sifuna inkululeko abantu abazi. The aim uFloyd ayingenele emkhontweni wesizwe njengoba ningazi bantu bakithi eSouth Africa ma commander was to come and win inhliziyo zabantu, because yena noMalema they are in a mission was to win inhliziyo zabantu. Waphahluka uMalema enza statement wathi uMalema mina iconstitution yo EFF ithi uphumile akasabuyi la, but the only person that I can forgive is Floyd Shivambu. Waphahluka. samboza yey uthini, because they were in a mission. Listen to this one now. Kusasa sesiyazi uzothini because uhlangane nabantu abahlulwa ama position qala. UFloyd, out of 10, I still stand, I still say 8 out of 10 abantu ababeke kuma detachments, abantu abakhandile okwabantu who will work for him. 8 out of 10. If you are saying not me, I didn't say you. There's that 2 left. Maybe you are ukulabo 2 about 2 when ukulaba abasebenza honestly. But 8 out of 10 abantu who are infiltrators who will be working for uFloyd. uFloyd unenhlangano entsha. Ngintshele mina azoyimemezela usebenzisana nabantu kade besenzela umkhonto wesizwe, abanye bebephatha imali, abanye besemandleni, abanye benzani. Kumanje siyazi njengamanje njengoba sikhuluma ku Wednesday, there is a meeting esiyilikhili information, there is a meeting in Sandton. Bafuna kusasa ukuyoxabanisa uDudu nobaba wakhe, bafuna ukuyoxabanisa uDudu nobaba wakhe. Siyayazi meeting ese Sandton in a secret location. Siyayazi kumanje bahleli bahlangene nama members of umkhonto wesizwe kade holder ama positions as serious ay deploy endaweni ezahlukahlukene. Ziyakhala manje, sikhathele ukuthula, asikuthuki kodwa siyakonfronta, sikutshela iqiniso. Floyd yeke ukungcola. Siyazi ukuthi kumanje cause division, abantu they are losing focus. Instead of working the ground by phambili, they will be dealing with this dirty game ka Floyd. Yes, we understand it is a dirty game in politics.